Brake work is one of the most common repairs done by technicians. It's inevitable that your brake pads will wear over time. Replacing them is done at a reasonable cost. Usually, you won't have to get the front and rear brakes replaced at the same time. If you have four-wheel disc brakes, you'll probably have to change your front set more often than the rear. It's important to have your brakes checked annually, and when you start to hear unnatural sounds when braking, like a high-pitched squeal or grinding sound, bring it in for service right away.
San Marcos Toyota. Schedule your service appointment online or give us a call today. We're located at 5101 Interstate 35 South in San Marcos, Texas.